In the wide and blue sky, between big, puffy clouds, lived a small and adorable little cloud. His name was Bobby. Bobby was round and white and soft like a big piece of cotton candy floating in the sky. All the other clouds could pour down good, heavy rain. But Bobby, no matter how hard he tried, only a few tiny drops would fall from him. Sometimes it was so little you could barely even see it. Bobby dreamed of being able to rain just like the other cloudstrong, and big enough to water the flowers and trees. He always watched the other clouds with longing as they proudly rained. "I wish I could too," Bobby sighed, and tried to squeeze himself, but it didn't work. One day, Bobby was feeling very sad. He twisted himself up in sadness. Suddenly, something strange happened. Instead of water drops, shiny brown things started to fall from him. "What is this?" Bobby said in surprise. He looked down. Below, on the ground, in a small and colorful town, a boy named Liam was playing in his backyard. Liam was a smart and curious boy, always looking up at the sky. He saw something brown falling from the little cloud Bobby. He reached out his hand. "Hey, this is chocolate." Yes, it was a chocolate rain. Small, shiny pieces of chocolate were falling from Bobby. The children in the town saw it and ran out of their homes shouting with joy. "Chocolate rain! Chocolate rain!" They opened their hands, caught the chocolates, and happily ate them. Bobby was surprised at first to see the kids so happy. Then, he giggled a little. "So I can make chocolate rain." He started raining more and more, and the children ran around excitedly collecting chocolates. But after a while, Bobby started to worry again. "I still can't make real rain. Who will water the flowers? Who will fill the rivers?" Liam, noticing Bobby's concern, raised his hand and said, "Hi, little cloud. You're so cute. And your chocolate rain is awesome. But why are you sad?" Bobby answered with a sad voice, "I can't make real rain. I only know how to rain chocolate." Liam smiled. "That's amazing. That's a special gift no other cloud has. But let's think together, maybe we can figure out how you can make real rain too." Liam helped Bobby. He explained how clouds gather together, how cool air makes them heavy, and how they can absorb water. He even held up a glass of water toward Bobby, telling him to try and absorb it. Bobby listened carefully to everything Liam said, and tried to do all the things Liam showed him. And finally, one day when the flowers were wilting and the ground was thirsty, Bobby took a deep breath, and this time, drip, drop, real rain began to fall. First tiny drops, then more and more, until a soft and gentle rain poured down on the town. Bobby danced with joy in the sky. Now, he could make both sweet chocolate rain and real rain to water the earth. He realized that it doesn't matter how small you are. What matters is trying your best and using your own special talents.